In today's fast-paced world, thinking using first principles is a powerful approach that can transform how we tackle problems and innovate. First principles thinking involves breaking down complex problems into their most basic elements, allowing us to understand the core issues at hand. In this video, we will explore the significance of this method and how it can be applied in various fields, from business to personal development. Viewers can expect to learn practical strategies for implementing first principles thinking in their own lives, enhancing their problem-solving skills. By the end of this video, you'll see how this method not only fosters creativity, but also leads to groundbreaking solutions that challenge conventional wisdom. Join us as we dive into the world of first principles thinking. First principles thinking is a problem-solving approach that involves deconstructing complex issues into their most fundamental components. By identifying these basic elements, we can gain a clearer understanding of the problem and explore innovative solutions. Unlike traditional reasoning methods, which often rely on analogies and assumptions, first principles thinking encourages us to question everything and build knowledge from the ground up. For example, in physics, this method is used to derive laws of motion by examining the fundamental forces at play. In philosophy, thinkers like Aristotle employed first principles to explore ethical dilemmas by breaking them down into core values. By applying this approach across various fields, we can unlock new perspectives and drive meaningful change. Adopting first principles thinking in decision-making offers numerous advantages that can significantly enhance creativity and innovation. By breaking down problems into their fundamental components, individuals are encouraged to think outside the box and explore unconventional solutions. This method leads to more effective problem-solving strategies, as it allows for a deeper understanding of the issues at hand, rather than relying on surface-level assumptions. Notable figures like Elon Musk have successfully applied first principles thinking to revolutionize industries, from electric vehicles to space travel. By questioning existing norms and focusing on core principles, they have achieved breakthroughs that seemed impossible. Embracing this approach can empower anyone to tackle challenges with a fresh perspective and drive impactful change in their personal and professional lives. To effectively apply first principles thinking in everyday life, start by identifying and questioning your assumptions. Ask yourself what beliefs you hold about a problem and whether they are truly valid. Next, break down the problem into its fundamental truths by dissecting it into smaller, manageable parts. For instance, if you're trying to improve your fitness, instead of assuming you need a gym membership, consider the basic elements of exercise, such as movement and consistency. This could lead you to explore alternatives like home workouts or outdoor activities. Another example is in budgeting. Rather than assuming you need to cut expenses, analyze your spending habits to identify unnecessary costs. By following these steps, you can cultivate a mindset that fosters innovation and effective problem solving in various scenarios. There are several misconceptions about first principles thinking that may discourage people from adopting this valuable method. One common myth is that it's only applicable to scientists or engineers, leading many to believe it's too technical for everyday use. In reality, first principles thinking can be beneficial for anyone, regardless of their background or profession. Another misconception is that this approach requires extensive knowledge or expertise in a specific field, which is not true. The essence of first principles thinking lies in questioning assumptions and breaking down problems, skills that everyone can develop. By embracing this mindset, individuals can enhance their decision-making, foster creativity, and tackle challenges in their daily lives, from personal finance to relationship issues, making it a universally applicable tool. First principles thinking is widely applied across various industries, driving innovation and efficiency. In technology, companies like SpaceX and Tesla utilize this method to challenge conventional designs and processes. For instance, SpaceX broke down the costs of rocket manufacturing, leading to reusable rockets that significantly reduce expenses. In business, organizations often analyze their core operations to identify inefficiencies, allowing them to streamline processes and enhance productivity. Personal development also benefits from this approach. Individuals can dissect their goals into fundamental motivations, leading to more effective strategies for self-improvement. The impact of first principles thinking is profound, as it encourages a culture of questioning and experimentation, ultimately fostering groundbreaking solutions and driving progress in diverse fields. This mindset empowers companies and individuals alike to rethink possibilities and achieve remarkable outcomes. In summary, first principles thinking is a transformative approach that empowers individuals and organizations to tackle complex problems by breaking them down into their fundamental components. The benefits of this method include enhanced creativity, effective problem solving, and the ability to drive innovation across various fields. Key takeaways include the importance of questioning assumptions, identifying core truths, and applying these principles in everyday life. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace first principles thinking in your own journey. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more insightful content, and we appreciate your support in spreading the knowledge.